We all like choices, right? I have 3 Hermes boxes right now, right in front of me. I want you guys to pick one, and we're gonna review the one that you pick inside this box. So which one would you pick? The left one, or the middle one, or the right one? Look at my hair right now. Okay, so this is my hair. All the colors have grown out. I mean, my roots are here, but whatever. The nails are incredibly long that I can't even take my contacts out anymore. I really just want to surrender to everyone that's looking at the video. It's not always about looking glamorous and looking at your best. Today we're just gonna go all in and tie my hair up. We should be empowered by this, and a woman should not feel like you need to look polished all the time. This is how I usually look with my hair. So what if your roots grow out? It's all about feeling comfortable and being safe right now. So if you are quarantined at home and watching this video, make sure you're comfortable. Make sure you keep staying at home until the right time comes, until we conquer this whole thing. If this is the first video you're watching, I strongly encourage you to check out any of our other videos. My mission is just to share everything I know about everything that I have learned in luxury industry. Make sure you subscribe to our channel or stay connected with us on Instagram. Maybe you want to see what I'm going to be sharing with you today. So I have 3 boxes here, and these are Hermes jewelry that I have collected and borrowed from my friend. I have 3 Hermes boxes right now, right in front of me. I want you guys to pick one, and we're gonna review the one that you pick inside this box. So which one would you pick? I don't know. I'm gonna pick the middle one.
Because middle child don't get lots of love.
Let's see what's in here. It's actually a very challenging thing to unbox this vertically. Do not try this at home if you love your jewelry or any luxury pieces, because it might fall out. Here is the box you guys picked, and let's see what's inside. Ooh, you picked a good one, guys. I've got a beautiful Hermes CDC yellow gold bracelet to review with you guys today, and it's going to be a sweet and short video, but we are gonna hit all of the details, just like what we did in the other fine jewelry videos we reviewed. So if you are interested, it will all be linked in the description box below, or I'm gonna try to link some over here. I've done quite an extensive series on Cartier jewelry reviews. Make sure you check that out. Today we're definitely gonna be focusing on the Collier bracelet, the CDC, very iconic. When I finally saw it, I was like, oh, this is different than what I thought. So let's see if you're gonna have the same idea or thoughts as me after I review this. So let's get into it right now. And I've already pre-opened it, and let's see if I can shove my wrist in here, and yeah, kind of. Okay, I've got it on, and I think, you know, drinking lots of water while quarantining definitely helped me to de-swell a little bit. And this is the little Collier bracelet, and that's what it looks like. Let's take a close look really quickly, because it's a very simply designed jewelry piece. And now I'm zooming in on the kind of like the stamp of this beautiful bracelet, and you can see the gold, the brand, and also where it's made. And then underneath where Made in France is probably a serial number, and also the hallmark looks like the manufacturer. The rest is pretty straightforward. It's just a band, and you can take a look at it as this is in its natural state. Just a very brief history or the story behind this particular creation. So the story behind is that at the beginning of the 20th century, Hermes offered extraordinary dog collar collections to its refined clientele, who were offered a version with trinkets, maybe one with its precious leathers and another with its streamlined studs. Designed to protect hunting dogs elegantly, these collars inspired the house to create a belt adorned with domed, four-sided studs and a ring. Its pure lines and volume later give rise to the Collier de Chien bracelet. Okay, this is the back side where you can probably see the very simple mechanism in place for this bracelet. There is a little kind of socket there for you to buckle it in. So this is where the hinge is, and on this side over here is where you open it. Okay, right now I'm gonna open it for you guys. So basically, the way I can describe it is that you would push this towards you, and then it goes up, and then it comes out. Because I love you guys so much, I'm just gonna show you guys again how to open it, because usually when someone's wearing it on their wrist, you don't really know how it works. But basically, you just push and go up, on hand compared to my other hand that has the Cartier stack. Let me know if you guys are interested in seeing a comparison, because the price points are similar, but they're both fine jewelry from very famous jewelry house. So let me know if you want to see in comparison. So I hope this video is as helpful as the other videos we did. If you have any questions or some things that I didn't get to address in this video, feel free to leave it in the comment below, or follow My First Luxury on Instagram. I'm pretty sure I've prompted the Instagram handle pretty much throughout the video. Make sure you type in this name here so you find us. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope after this you are going to be doing something that makes you happy. Maybe go, have a walk in your backyard or drink more water. Make sure you're staying healthy and safe during the quarantine period, and I can't wait to see you in our next video. So take care until next time. See you guys. Bye bye.